can't wait for my best friend to get here so we can play all day. Yeah! Ha ha!
Tinkle winkle tinky winky, tinkle winkle tinky winky. Uh-oh, Squarie.
Hi, Tinky Winky. Today's gonna be a fun day because my best friend Roundy is gonna be coming to play.
Oh, that sounds like fun.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have a great time.
Squarie!
Roundy!
Squarie! Oh, it's great to see you.
Oh yeah, you too, Roundy. Now we get to play today.
Oh yeah, today's gonna be so much fun. And guess what, Squarie?
What?
Someone else is going to be playing with us too.
Really?
Yeah, I met her yesterday, and I would like you to meet her too.
Oh boy!
All right, Squarie, meet Triley. She's a triangle, Squarie.
Hello, Squarie. Hi, Triley. It's nice to meet you. Welcome to Tubby Friend Land. Oh, thank you, Squarie. I've been hearing a lot about this place. Roundy has been telling me all about it. And you must be one of those Teletubbies.
Yep, that's right.
Your name is, Winky Winky?
Close. It's actually Tinky Winky.
Ah, yes, Tinky Winky. It's nice to meet you, Tinky Winky.
It's nice to meet you too, Triley. And by the way, I really like triangles. In fact, you're the shape of my antenna, Triley.
Oh, wow! How great is that? I think I'm going to like this Tubby Friend Land place.
Oh, you definitely are, Triley.
Well, are you ready to start our play date?
Oh, yeah!
Come on, let's start! All right, let's go!
Oh, boy!
Yeah! See you later, Tinky Winky!
Bye-bye, fellas. Have fun! Wow! Triley the Triangle. I definitely see a resemblance. Tinkle winkle tinky winky.
All right, guys. What should we all play first? Well, I'm happy to play whatever you guys want to play.
Oh, okay then. Let's see.
I know. How about we can play Headstand? Headstand? What's Headstand?
Oh, it's a really fun game, Triley.
Yeah! All you have to do is just stand on top of your head. Like this! Ha-ha!
Yeah, my turn.
It's your turn, Triley. Oh, okay. I'll give it a try. So all you have to do is just... Whoa.
Come on, Triley. You can do it.
I can't. Ow! How come I fell down? Oh, don't worry, Triley. All you need is some practice.
Yeah, why don't you try again?
Okay, but I don't know if I can do it. Because, ow. Because my head is pointy. I don't have a flat one or a round one like you guys. Oh, I haven't thought of that.
Yeah, I guess it is pretty hard when you have a pointy head, Triley.
Yeah, I don't think this game is for me, you guys. Well, that's okay, Triley. We'll just play a different game.
Yeah, what game should we play next?
Ow, Squarie. Ow, Roundy. Ow. Whoa. There's 3 of you now? That's right, Dipsy. This is our new friend, Triley. She's a triangle. Ah, so you're Dipsy. My name's Triley. Oh, Triley. It's nice to meet you. Welcome to Tubby Friend Land. Ah, thank you.
We're all thinking of a new game to play, Dipsy. Do you have any ideas?
New game. Oh, I know a new game. It's one that I made up. It's called Hats. Hats?
Hats?
Hats? Yeah, be right back. Hats. Ha ha! Pick a hat, any hat. Ha ha ha!
Ooh!
Oh boy, top hats, yeah! Oh, top hats. Those look so great on you. I would like to wear one of those. Hey, Dipsy, do you have another top hat for me? Oh, dear. Sorry, Triley. I only have 2 top hats, but I do have an extra hat, and I think you're gonna like it. It's the same color as you.
A red hat just for me? Oh, this is great. I can't wait.
Here you go, Triley. Put this on.
Oh, okay, Dipsy. Oh. Okay, how do I look?
Triley, over here.
How do I look?
Well, I mean, it's a hat, all right.
Well, yes, but I can hardly see through this hat then.
All right, you guys. Now that we got our hats on, just do the hat dance. Like this. Hat, 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 hat. Hat, 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 hat.
Wow, what's going on?
Triley, do the hat dance.
Okay, hat, 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 hat. Am I doing good?
Well, you're proving, Triley. Just do what we do, okay?
Okay.
Hat, 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 hat.
Triley!
Triley, are you okay?
Oh, this hat is too big for me.
Oh, sorry, Triley. I guess that hat is too big for you.
Yeah, I think we should play something else.
Yeah, good idea. So, what should we play now?
Oh, I know a good game, and it's a classic. A good game of catch.
Catch! That's perfect, Roundy.
Yeah, I have a ball at my house. I'll go get it.
Ooh, catch! Now that sounds like fun. Come on, let's go.
All right, let's play some catch.
Is anybody gonna clean this up?
All right, I got my ball here, so now we're all ready to play catch.
Yeah! Hey, Triley, since you're new here, how about you can throw the ball first?
Oh, thank you. It'll be an honor. All right, I'm ready.
All right, we better spread out.
I'll go over here. All right, let's start.
And catch, Squarie.
Got it. To you, Roundy.
Oh, I got it. All right, back to you, Squarie. Yeah.
I got it. I got it. All right, Triley, it's back to you. Yeah.
Oh, I got it.
My ball!
Aw, it popped.
Oh, no. What have I done? Oh, I ruined the game.
No, Triley. It's not your fault. You can't help having a pointy head.
Oh, I just can't do anything right. I can't stand on my head. I can't wear a hat because they're always too big. And I can't even catch a ball because I might end up popping it with my pointy head. I'm just different.
Different?
Yeah. You know what? I'm done playing. I don't want to play anymore. I'm just going to go. Bye.
Triley?
Triley, wait! Oh, no.
Poor Triley.
La 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 la. Huh? Are you okay? No, not really. Hey, what's your name? I don't think we met. Oh, my name is Triley. Triley the Triangle. Oh, Triley. Well, my name is Lala. I'm a Teletubby. Oh, yeah, you must be another one of those Teletubbies. What's the matter? Well, I'm different. Different? Yeah, I've been playing with Squarie and Roundy, but they play games that I just can't do. Like, I can't stand on my head. I can't wear any hats because they're too big for my head. And I even pop their ball with my pointy head. I just can't do anything. Oh, there. I mean, you don't look that different. I mean, I mostly see a resemblance between you, Squarie, and Roundy, you know? Yeah, you could say that. Even though I do look similar to them, I'm just so different. I can't do anything. I'm just different.
Triley!
Triley, there you are! Why did you stop playing with us, Triley?
Yeah, why?
I already told you. I'm different. I can't do anything right.
But that's not true, Triley.
Yeah, I mean, sure, we're all different shapes, but you're not completely different from us.
Yeah, I'm sure you can do a lot of things, right?
I don't know.
Listen, just because you can't do the stuff that we can do doesn't mean that you're different.
Yeah, I mean, there are some things about us that are the same, actually.
Really?
Yeah, like the three of us, we all have the same arms, right?
Yeah. Oh, and the three of us, we all have the same mouth shape.
That's right, Roundy.
Hey, yeah. Oh, and we all have unibrows.
Oh, yeah, so we do.
Yeah, but you know, the best thing that makes us all the same is that we're all best friends.
Yeah, best friends.
Yeah, best friends forever.
And ever.
And ever. Ha ha ha.
Aww, now that's so sweet.
So, Triley, are you ready to play now?
Yes, Squarie, I'm ready to play.
All right, great. So, we gotta find a good game for you to play. Do you have any ideas?
I can't really stand on my head very well. But maybe I could stand on your head, Squarie.
My head?
Yes, like this.
Oh, now I see where you're going.
Wow, that's impressive. Hey, Squarie, it looks like you're wearing a red hat.
Oh yeah, it kinda does.
Yeah, I guess I don't need to wear a hat because I am the hat.
Oh, I know. How about Squarie can get on my head along with Triley?
Oh, okay. Let's try it. Okay, Triley, hang on.
Whoa! Ho, ho, ho!
I think we found ourselves a new game.
Shape Stack!
Wow, now that's very clever. Yeah, a game that I can play. Uh-oh, are you guys all right?
Don't worry, we're okay.
Yeah, that was fun.
Oh, yeah, it sure was.
Oh, those three, they're such good friends. Lala. Oh, Po.
Hey.
How's the play date coming along?
Oh, we're having a great time, Teletubbies.
Oh, yeah, we're having so much fun with our best friend, Triley.
Oh, Triley. She's a red triangle. I love red. Oh, is your name, Po? Yes, that's right. I got the name right. Yay!
Well done, Triley.
Yeah, pretty soon you'll get to know this place very well.
Oh boy, I can't wait to see around this place. I love Tubby Friend Land, and I love my new friends very much. Aw, we love you too, Triley. You know what that means? Big hug!
Yeah, big hug.
Bring it in, everyone.
Big hug.
Yeah, big hug! Big hug! Oh, I just love my new friends. Oh, is that the windmill you've been telling me about, Roundy?
Yep, that's the magic windmill, Triley.
Yeah, it shows us magical events.
Oh, well, I can't wait to see what it's like.
Oh, you're gonna love it, Triley.
Well, everyone, let's go.
All right,
Magical event time! Let's go!
Yay! Come on!
All right, let's do this!
Yippee! My first magical event! Wait for me! Wow! So this is where you guys go?
Yup. Okay, everyone, when we hear a sound in the distance, we go to it. Let's listen.
I hear something. This way, everyone!
All right, let's follow Triley.
All right, let's go!
Wow! That was brilliant!
Oh yeah, wasn't it cool, Triley?
Oh yeah, magical events always happen like this. And there's more to come as well.
Wow, I just love this place so much! I'm glad you like it, Triley. Yup, that's Tubby Friend Land.
Our home. Yup, and you're welcome anytime you want.
Oh, thank you guys so much. I had a lot of fun here.
Oh yeah, we're glad that you came, Triley.
Yeah. We've been playing all day. I think it's time that I head home.
Yeah, but maybe you can come tomorrow.
Oh, yes, I definitely will. Goodbye, Squarie.
Goodbye.
See you later. I best be heading home too. See you later, Squarie.
All right, bye-bye, Roundy. I better head home as well. See you later.
All right, bye-bye, Squarie. Bye.
Bye-bye. See you later.
Uh-oh. Time to go. Yup. Time to go inside. Ha ha.
Oh, what a day.